Hello everyone, we hope all of you are doing well, and with that said, welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can use Taskade individually as a bullet journal and planner. With that said, let's jump right into it. Now the first thing that we do here is create a brand new workspace called My Bullet Journal. For the record, you can name it whatever you want. Once created, we will go ahead and add subspaces for different months. Now inside your subspace, to have an already ready bullet journal planner, be sure to go to the templates section, hit on new on the right, and then navigate to the last option, which is called more, which will open up taskade.com/templates, which is basically all of the templates that Taskade has in its library. Now inside this, simply search journal and you should be able to download the template called bullet journal. Now feel free to modify this template according to your needs and then click on use template to import this modified template into your subspace. Now you can add all your tasks in the different sections and you have a fully functioning template ready to go. The best part about using a template in Taskade is the fact that you can go ahead and reuse it further. For example, when you go ahead and create a new subspace for your next month's bullet journal, you can use this same template by going to templates, copy, and then selecting the new subspace. That's how simple this is to set up and use. Within your project, you can customize different tasks and titles with color from the bottom bar. You can also make them bold, underline them, line them up with your calendar, and of course, write down your comments within each task by hovering the cursor over the task and then clicking on the comment icon. There is also a 3-dot menu on the right side of each task that grants access to a lot of other features task-wise, like mentioning, prioritizing tasks, indenting them, unindenting them, and also duplicating them. Now you can also fold and unfold tasks once completed in case they are not currently relevant to what you're working on, simply by pressing Ctrl+up arrow key to fold and vice versa to unfold. Now once you've added all your tasks, you can go ahead and visualize your to-do list or journal in different views by going to the top right and clicking on the view option to cycle between a list view, an organizational chart, an action board, a mind map view, and so on. This ensures that you have a fresh perspective every time you open up your task list so that you can be more productive at completing tasks. You can also use hashtags to organize tasks and notes and click to filter them. Bullet journaling was never this easy, and Taskade aims it to make it even easier for you. Well, what are you waiting for? Use Taskade now and we'll bring another video to you guys before you know it. Leave a like and subscribe if this video brought value to you guys, and thank you for watching.